Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will review the project Bitcoin Bit by the token from exchange of Ubank. That token will list it to the tier 1 exchange, so invest in that project and get profit from the tokens because these will give profit the investors. At the end of May, you will see more listing the and token price will go up because project is very cool. Bitcoin Bit. Pioneering a new era in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Bit is not a cryptocurrency generated through blockchain like traditional mined coins. Instead, it allows user to engage its transaction effortlessly via exchange, enabling straightforward and secure trading. Issuance. Bitcoin Bit an issuance based cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is not a mining based coin but an issuance based coin, meaning it does not require block generation. The total supply is fixed at 21 million coins and it follows a halving schedule every 3 years. Unlike Bitcoin, which undergoes halving every 4 years. Over for 15 years, Bitcoin will undergo five halving events. Complain its issuance schedule. The system eliminates the need for a central authority mining operations. 2030, 2032, 24, 26, 28, 7, 98. Bitcoin Bit. Bitcoin Bit a revolutionary cryptocurrency transparency through internet transactions, global accessibility without financial institution, revolutionary blockchain technology, limited issuance over mining, simplified block architecture, continuous innovation. Bitcoin mining is nearing its end. Bitcoin Bit adopts a revolutionary issuance model, moving away from traditional mining method as an issuance cryptocurrency. Bitcoin Bit signals the beginning of a new era, offering a glimpse into the future of digital finance. Total token information. Bitcoin Bit introduced the world first issuance based model in the global Bitcoin mining dominated landscape. First symbol BCP, second decimal 118, third network Bitcoin network. Bitcoin Bit as an issuance based cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is evolving its technology to introduce involving features and address the shortcoming of traditional cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin. Thanks, thanks for watching my video and this join social media program of that project like Twitter, Telegram, where you will get new updates of that project. P2B crypto exchange, Bitcoin, BCB, IEO launchpad coming soon. Date starts May 3 and May star. BCB IEO is launched on P2B. Bitcoin BTB is not just another Bitcoin. It is a bold rebuild from the ground up. While Bitcoin uses POW proof work mining, Bitcoin Bit uses POS proof of stake issuance meaning no energy. BCB features a fixed supply of 21 million coins, a 3-year halving cycle, and a fully issuance-based model completes its supply distribution in 15 years. Faster and freer. No miners, no central authority, just pure decentralized transparent issuance. By start to be P2B. Start May 3, 2025. This project is in pre-sale in stay tuned. Finished May 17, 2025. Listed on P2B May 30, 2025. Payout pay, payment will be made IEO finished. Starting issue 1.5 USDT.